So sleep number 2, absolutely nothing on the pillow. Maybe just these 2 little spots there. That is it. So that was what worked for me. Pillow, headrest on the neck. Actually, not exactly on the neck, on the back of the head at a comfortable spot. So the first night, I had this on top of the nappy, as I've called it, and I stained their towel. Second night, I managed to do it with the nappy on top of the towel. Yeah. Anyway, I've got to head off. Long day. It's nice this morning. Maybe the first blue sky I've seen in Istanbul. Look at that lovely sun. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I wish I could open this window, I'm sorry. Let's rock and roll.
Okay.
So, little update on everything that's been going on. It's currently Sunday. I've just got back to France, and so yesterday I forgot to do. Well, I didn't forget. I just didn't have the time to do the update. So woke up Saturday morning. So yes, I was pissed off the night before that I didn't have any information. And so the next morning, our contact got hold of the clinic. We then went into the clinic in the morning at about 10 o'clock, and they removed our bandages. No problem with that. The guy was very, very delicate when he did it. It was quite painful. The first layers went off, and that was okay. The only thing really hurting was that they taped it to your skin, so it's kind of pulling on your skin, and it's in a relatively sensitive area as you've just had all your hairs pulled out. But that wasn't too bad. But however, under all that, I don't know exactly what it is, but it's like there were 2 sheets of kind of like slimy bits of paper or something. Obviously not paper, but and then they peel this off very slowly, and it feels like they're peeling off a layer of your head. That definitely woke you up. And there's that 2 times. There's the first one which gets peeled off, and then there's the second one that gets peeled off. Then they changed the bandage. Well, they changed the bandage, and I was pleased with that. Then I went out and visited Istanbul in the afternoon, and then that night, the next morning, there was very little blood, and then finally, once I made it back to France, there wasn't any problem actually sleeping the night before. The pain in the back had gone down. I found a sleeping position quite easily, and yeah, went to sleep. Now, where things kind of became a bit funny is when I got back to France and I still had the bandage on, I decided to remove it. The other guys had removed it. They told me it was a bit of an effort, and so I'm going to attach a video in here. You will see what it looks like. The bandage they put on is just like bare bandage. There is absolutely nothing on your hair, on your head, in front of it, and therefore all the little holes in that bandage, they're all getting stuck in your little hairs and in all the scabs from all the holes they've just done into your head. And to remove that, I put water on it and putting it very slowly involved a bit of screaming, and it was quite nasty. I don't know why they didn't just put what they put on the first time round, because on the first time round it hurt a tiny bit, and there was a bit of a psychological sensation which was also giving it pain, but it wasn't actually pain. Whereas in this case, it was stuck to my head. It was stuck to the donut area. It was stuck to the little hairs that started to grow, and it's stuck to all the scabs from the donut area. And so I'm basically ripping that off. So water on it was helping, but that was not enjoyable. Why did they not just do it like they did the first time round? I don't know. And that's all I can think of right now. I'll take some pictures tomorrow, and I'll show you how it looks. Been a long day today, as I left Istanbul this morning, and it's 2 o'clock, 2:30 in the morning in France now, and it's time for bed. So it's going to be the first night. It's going to be the first night trying to sleep without anything on the back there. Yeah. See ya.